What if I told you that some of the fastest growing YouTube channels right now have never once turned on a camera? No face, no studio, no expensive equipment, just a laptop, a few free tools, and a repeatable system. In this video, I am going to show you the exact workflow I use to create professional videos from scratch using only AI tools, from blank page to finished video ready to upload. Every tool I mention is either free or has a free plan. And by the end of this video, you will have everything you need to produce your first video this week. Let us get into it. Here is the reality of faceless YouTube in 2026. Over 40% of YouTube's top 1,000 channels never show a face on camera. Channels in the finance, technology, education, and business niches are earning between $10,000 and $80,000 a month using exactly this workflow. The reason most people do not start is not because they lack ideas. It is because they think they need a camera, a microphone, a studio, video editing skills, and a team. You need none of that. What you need is a system, and that is what I am going to give you today. Here are the 5 stages of the workflow. 1. Script. 2. Voiceover. 3. Visuals. 4. Editing. 5. Upload and optimize. Let us go through each one. Every great video starts with a great script, and the fastest way to write one is to use AI as your first draft engine, then add your own voice on top. Here is the prompt I use to generate a video script outline in under 60 seconds. Paste this prompt. You are an experienced YouTube scriptwriter specializing in educational content for freelancers and online earners. Write a detailed script outline for a 10-minute YouTube video titled, and then insert your video title here. Include a hook that opens with a bold statement or question, a context section explaining why this matters, 5 main points, each with a real example or demonstration, and a call to action at the end. Once you have the outline, go section by section and expand each point. Do not try to write the entire script in one prompt. Break it into pieces and expand each one separately. This produces much better output than asking for the whole thing at once. After generating your draft, read it out loud. Edit anything that sounds unnatural. Add your own examples. Change phrases that do not sound like you. The AI gives you the structure and the speed. You give it the voice. Target word count for a 10-minute video. 1,200 to 1,500 words. Once your script is ready, go to ElevenLabs. This is the tool that turns your written script into a human-quality voiceover. No microphone required. Here is exactly how to use it. Create a free account at ElevenLabs.io. The free plan gives you 10,000 characters per month, enough for roughly 2 to 3 videos depending on length. Click on Speech Synthesis. Paste your script into the text box. Select a voice. I use Brian, conversational, for this channel. It sounds natural, globally neutral, and authoritative without being stiff. Before you generate the full script, test a short paragraph first. Listen back carefully. Check for any mispronunciations or unnatural pauses. If a word is mispronounced, add a comma before it in the text. This forces a slight pause that often fixes the issue. Once you are happy, generate the full audio and download it as an MP3 file. Label it clearly, for example, video for voiceover.mp3. You will need this in the editing stage. One important tip: do not paste your entire script in one block. Break it into sections matching your video structure and generate each section separately. This makes editing much easier. You can swap out individual sections without regenerating the entire audio. Now you need visuals to pair with your voiceover. For a faceless channel, you have 3 types of visuals, and the best videos use all 3. Type 1 is stock footage. Go to pexels.com or mixkit.co. Both are completely free with no attribution required. Search for terms that match what your voiceover is talking about. If your script mentions someone working on a laptop, search laptop. If it mentions emails, search email or inbox. Download 3 to 5 second clips and save them in a folder labeled B-roll. Good search terms for the AI and freelance niche include laptop, typing, workspace, technology, email, smartphone, coding, office, productivity, and digital. Type 2 is screen recordings. This is the most valuable visual for tutorial content because it shows the viewer exactly what to do. Use Loom. It is free and records your screen in high definition with one click. Record yourself navigating through the tools you are discussing. Show the actual interface. Show real prompts and real outputs. This builds trust faster than any stock footage can. Type 3 is AI-generated visuals. For sections where neither stock footage nor screen recordings apply, use Canva's AI image generator or Adobe Firefly to create relevant visuals. Both have free plans and produce high-quality results in seconds. The golden rule for visuals is this: never let the same image or clip run for more than 20 seconds without cutting to something new. Visual variety is what keeps people watching. Now you have your voiceover and your visuals. This is where it all comes together. I use CapCut for editing. It is completely free, available on desktop and mobile, and has everything a Faceless channel needs built in. Here is the editing workflow step by step. Step 1. Open CapCut and create a new project. Import your voiceover MP3 file first. Drag it onto the timeline. This is your foundation. Everything else gets built around the audio. Step 2. Add your visuals. Import your stock footage and screen recordings. Drag them onto the video track above the audio timeline. Match them to the relevant sections of the voiceover. The visual should always reflect what the voiceover is describing at that moment. Step 3. Add captions. CapCut has an auto caption feature that transcribes your voiceover and generates captions automatically. Click Auto Captions, select your language, and let it run. Review the output and fix any errors. Captions increase watch time significantly. Many people watch YouTube on mute. Step 4. Add background music. Import a royalty-free music track from Mixkit or Epidemic Sound. Drag it onto a separate audio track below your voiceover. Set the music volume to between 8 and 12% of the voiceover volume. You want it present, but never competing with the voice. Step 5. Add your outro. Create a simple branded end screen in Canva, your channel name, logo, and a subscribe prompt. Import it into CapCut and add it to the final 3 to 5 seconds of your video. Step 6. Export. Click Export in the top right. Select 1080p resolution and 60 frames per second. Save the file. Your video is done. The final stage is uploading and optimizing your video for search. Title. Include your primary keyword near the beginning. Keep it under 60 characters. Description. First 2 lines must include your keyword. These appear in search results. Write a 150 to 200 word summary below that. Add timestamps. Add your affiliate links and product links. Thumbnail. Create it in Canva at 1280 by 720 pixels. Bold text, high contrast, one clear focal point. Tags. Add 10 to 15 tags covering your main keyword, close variations, and broad category terms. Upload as private first. Watch the first 60 seconds. Check the audio is synced. Check captions are correct. Then schedule it to go public at your regular posting time. That is the complete workflow. Script, voiceover, visuals, editing, upload. Repeatable every single week. If you want to see the exact AI prompts I use at every stage of this workflow, including the script prompts, the editing briefs, and the SEO optimization prompts, they are all inside my 100+ AI prompts pack linked in the description. Subscribe for a new AI tool breakdown every week. Drop a comment below and tell me what your channel topic is going to be. I read every single one, and I might just give you your first video idea. See you in the next video.